Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all guys will be fine. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install VS Code, Python, how to integrate Python in the VS Code, and at the end, I'm going to give you a tip of how to run your first Python program. So let's just get started. So first of all, you will have to go to the web browser, whether you want to use a Firefox, your choice, and type over here Visual Studio Code. So you will see the first link, Visual Studio Code. Just click on it and it will take you here. Here is the user interface and you will see a download for Windows button. Just click on it and your download will start in a few seconds. Now the download has been started. Let the download to be finished. So now the download has completed. Now go to the download and here is your file, exe file. Just click on it in order to initiate the installation. So I accept the agreement. Next, here is a part where you want to install your VS Code. So by default it is what it is. Just click on the next, click on the next, and you want to do it or not, that's your choice. Next, next, and now your installation has been started. Let the installation to be completed. So the installation has been finished. It will launch our Visual Studio Code. As you can see, the interface over here is unusual because I have already installed it on my computer. So this is my second time, so that's why you see it. Now the second thing is installation of the Python. So now we will install the Python and you will just search for the Python download and just click on the first one, and here you will see the latest version of Python. So just click on it and the download has been started. Let the download to be finished. Now the download has finished. Just click on it on the exe file and it will start its installation. So this is the most important thing, is add to the path. Okay, you will have to do it, otherwise you will have face some problems. So the setup was completed and now just click on the command prompt, open the command prompt and type Python version. Here you can see that we have successfully installed 3.12.5. So just open the VS Code and now is the time to run our first Python program. So click on the open folder and select any folder where you want to keep your all Python programming files. I will make another one, my first project, and I will select it. So here you will click on the new file, yes I trust, and here you will give any name. For example, I will give the name of python.py. Okay, so .py is the extension for Python. Okay, you can also use for other languages like C++, etc. So the common extension for Python to run Python in the VS Code is to install an extension for Python, and that is the first one, that is Python. So just click on it, as I have already installed it, but you have to install it. After installation, it's easy. Okay, now write our first Python program. Like print, welcome to my channel. and just click on the run button, and hence it is run in your terminal and says that welcome to my channel. It was all about the installing the VS Code and running your first Python program. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.